Hello, everyone, and welcome to Marabrew. I'm Roberto, and today, we're going to unlock the secrets of financial growth with a topic that's often underestimated but incredibly powerful: the power of compound interest, how to make your money grow. Part 1, Understanding Compound Interest. Before we dive into the strategies, let's grasp the concept of compound interest. It's the interest you earn not just on your initial investment but also on the interest you've already earned. In other words, it's interest on interest, and it has the potential to turbocharge your wealth. Part 2, Start early. One of the most potent aspects of compound interest is time. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can turn into significant wealth over time. Part 3, Consistent Saving and Investing. To harness compound interest, it's vital to save and invest consistently. Set up automatic contributions to your savings or investment accounts. Regular contributions allow your money to grow exponentially. Part 4, Maximize Returns. Choosing the right investment vehicles is crucial. Look for opportunities that offer the potential for higher returns over time. Stocks, bonds, and diversified portfolios are common options. Part 5, Reinvest Dividends and Interest. Reinvesting dividends and interest earned from your investments allows you to benefit from compounding. Instead of cashing out, let those earnings work for you. Part 6, Keep an eye on fees. Be mindful of fees associated with your investments. High fees can eat into your returns, reducing the power of compound interest. Part 7, Be patient. Patience is key when harnessing the power of compound interest. Your money may not seem to grow quickly at first, but over time, it can accelerate significantly. Part 8, Avoid dipping into investments. Resist the temptation to dip into your investments for non-essential expenses. Let your investments grow and compound over time. In conclusion, the power of compound interest is a remarkable tool for wealth creation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others interested in financial growth, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial insights. Thank you for watching, and remember, time is your most powerful ally when it comes to making your money grow. Until next time.